Deep in South America lies one of the most important places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. Often called the lungs of the Earth, this massive forest produces nearly 20% of the world's oxygen, helping our planet breathe. It is a world full of life. The Amazon is home to the largest variety of animals and plants found anywhere on the planet. Every corner is bursting with color, movement, and the sounds of nature. The climate here is hot, rainy, and extremely dense, with towering trees that block out the sun. Sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor because the canopy above is so thick. Water flows everywhere. From small streams to wide, powerful rivers, all leading to the Great Amazon River, one of the longest and most important rivers in the world. The rainforest is also famous for its incredible wildlife, jaguars stalking quietly through the forest, anacondas sliding through the water, brightly colored parrots filling the air with their calls, and giant trees rising hundreds of feet into the sky. The Amazon is more than a forest, it is a treasure of life, a protector of our planet, and a reminder of how beautiful nature truly is. Deep within Central Africa stretches one of the most important natural wonders of our planet, the Congo Basin forest. Covering millions of square kilometers, it is the second largest tropical rainforest in the world, surpassed only by the Amazon. This giant forest is often described as the beating green heart of Africa, a place where nature breathes, grows, and thrives. The Congo Basin plays a powerful role in stabilizing the climate. Its trees absorb enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to cool the earth and reduce the effects of climate change. For Africa, it acts like a natural air conditioner, regulating temperatures, influencing rainfall, and supporting life across the continent. Without this forest, the climate of Central and Eastern Africa would be dramatically different. Wildlife here is rich and unique. The forest is home to majestic gorillas, quietly moving through the trees, caring for their young and living in peaceful family groups. Forest elephants roam quietly beneath the canopy, smaller than savanna elephants but incredibly important for spreading seeds and shaping the landscape. Chimpanzees, intelligent and expressive, swing between branches, communicating with one another through calls and gestures. And above them, the sky is alive with hundreds of bird species, vibrant colors, powerful wings, and songs that echo across the forest. The Congo Basin is not only vast but also extremely dense. Thick vegetation grows in every direction. Massive trees rise high above, blocking much of the sunlight and creating a dim, humid world below. The air is heavy with moisture, and the scent of earth, leaves, and rain is everywhere. This deep humidity supports life, allowing plants, insects, animals, and microorganisms to thrive together in one of the world's most complex ecosystems. But the forest is more than nature alone. It is also home to many indigenous communities who have lived here for thousands of years. Groups such as the Ba-aka, the Baka, and the Twa depend on the forest for food, shelter, medicine, and culture. Their knowledge of the land is extraordinary. They understand the seasons, the plants, the animals, and the rhythms of the forest better than anyone else. For them, the forest is not just a home, it is identity, history, and life. Today, these communities play a crucial role in protecting the Congo Basin. They safeguard its traditions, pass down knowledge, and defend the forest from threats like illegal logging, mining. In the tropical north of Australia lies the ancient and mysterious Daintree rainforest, one of the oldest rainforests on Earth, over 135 million years old. Walking through its dense greenery feels like stepping back in time, into a world untouched by modern life. Here, the forest grows close to the ocean, where lush trees meet sandy beaches and the waves crash gently along the shore. This unique meeting of land and sea creates a rare ecosystem, full of life and wonder. The Daintree is home to remarkable wildlife. The giant, colorful cassowaries roam quietly through the undergrowth, while crocodiles silently patrol its rivers. Rare plants thrive here, some of which have existed since prehistoric times, making the forest a living museum of life. The atmosphere is green, quiet, and mysterious. Sunlight filters softly through the thick canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Every step brings new discoveries, ancient trees, twisting vines, and the soft rustle of leaves as animals move unseen. Famous for its ancient plant species, the Daintree rainforest is a treasure of history and biodiversity. It is not just a forest, it is a place where nature's resilience and beauty are preserved, offering a glimpse into the Earth's distant past and a sanctuary. Stretching across the northern reaches of the Earth, from Russia to Canada and the Scandinavian countries, lies the vast and majestic taiga, also known as the Boreal forest. It is the largest forest biome in the world, covering millions of square kilometers, and it plays a vital role in the planet's climate and ecosystem. The taiga is a land of extremes. Winters are long, bitterly cold, and covered in deep snow, while summers are short and intense, bursting with life before the frost returns. This rhythm of seasons shapes everything in the forest, from the plants that grow to the animals that thrive here. The landscape is dominated by pine, spruce, and fir trees, their evergreen needles forming a dense, green canopy that stretches endlessly in every direction. These trees are resilient, surviving harsh winds, heavy snow, and freezing temperatures. In some places, the snow-laden branches bow under the weight of winter, creating scenes of quiet, frozen beauty. Despite the cold, the taiga is full of life. Bears roam the forests, searching for food and shelter. Wolves move in packs, coordinating hunts with precision and skill. Moose, enormous and imposing, wander through the trees and rivers, feeding on twigs and aquatic plants. And hidden among the shadows, the elusive lynx stalks silently, its keen eyes alert to every movement. The forest is not just a home for animals, it is a world of silence and reflection. The long dark winters stretch for months, with only brief hours of daylight. Snow muffles sound, creating an almost magical stillness, and the auroras often paint the night sky in waves of green and purple, illuminating the forest in an otherworldly glow. During the short summers, the taiga comes alive. Streams swell with melted snow, wildflowers bloom in hidden clearings, and birds fill the air with song. Life rushes to make the most of the warmth and light, preparing for the long months to come. Every creature, plant, and tree follows the ancient rhythm of survival, growth, and renewal. The taiga is more than just a forest. It is a testament to endurance, a sanctuary of biodiversity, and a critical component of Earth's climate system. Its trees store vast amounts of carbon, helping to regulate the planet's temperature, and its rivers and wetlands support countless species. To walk through the taiga is to step into a world of contrasts, the biting cold of winter, the fleeting warmth of summer, the silence of snow, and the life that perseveres. It is a forest of mystery and majesty, a reminder of the resilience of nature, and a place where the rhythms of the earth are vividly alive. In the southern regions of Chile and Argentina lies a magical and mysterious forest, the Valdivian temperate rainforest. Known for its cool, rainy climate, this forest is covered in thick green moss, twisting vines, and lush undergrowth, creating a world that feels almost like a fairy tale. The Valdivian forest is home to remarkable wildlife. Pumas roam silently through the dense trees, while rare deer move carefully among the ferns. Birds of every shape and color fill the air with song, many of them found nowhere else on Earth. Every corner of the forest is alive, yet quiet, as if it is keeping its secrets hidden from the world. Among the treasures of this rainforest are its ancient trees. The alerce, one of the oldest living trees on Earth, can live for over 3,000 years. Towering high, these giants have witnessed millennia pass, standing as living monuments to the endurance and resilience of nature. The forest feels magical. Sunlight filters softly through the mist, illuminating the mossy ground and sparkling droplets of rain. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the scent of wet earth and living wood. Every step reveals hidden wonders, twisting roots, delicate ferns, and vibrant mushrooms, making it a true paradise for explorers and nature lovers. The Valdivian rainforest is also incredibly rich in plant life. Many species grow here that are found nowhere else in the world, making it a unique and irreplaceable ecosystem. It is a sanctuary of life, a place where nature thrives in its purest form. Walking through the Valdivian temperate rainforest is like stepping into a dream, a green, wet, enchanted world full of life, history, and mystery. It is a living treasure of the earth, offering beauty, wonder, and a glimpse into the incredible diversity of our planet, too.